I can broadly tell you this green color which you can see is the Yamanote line circle. So this is the closed circuit around Tokyo. All the places like Shinagawa, Tamachi, Yuracho, Kanda, Okachimachi, Tabata, then down to Ikebukuro, Shinokubo, Shinjuku, Harajuku, Shibuya, Ebisu, Meguro, Gotanda, and back to Tokyo Central is written here. So from Shinagawa, if you are here in Tokyo, next stop is Akihabara. So this is the back side of the Marunouchi building. Now we are moving towards the Tokyo Central Station. You can observe the amount of cleanliness being maintained in this area. It's the heart of Tokyo. Now I'll show you something which is quite unique. कैसे कैसों को दिया है. You can see his bicycles parked here. You can see a beautiful ship, a wrecked ship. This beautiful structure, deep bleed van. I don't know if you can make out something. I'll make you read. If at all you could make out. To assist the tourists, there is always something helpful placed in the central part of Tokyo. We'll just cross over to the other side because it's open. The traffic has just paused right for us. They will stop because they follow the discipline till the time the light is green and the way is open for us. Now it is blinking, so we have to make our move fast to cross it. This is the south entrance of the JR Tokyo station. Now we are approaching the parking area for the taxis and the buses outside Tokyo Central Station. The red and white building in the background is the Tokyo Central Station. This is the Todoroki bus space. You can see a typical Japanese bus. They always run on time. The timetable is placed right outside the station. So this is the area in front of Tokyo Central Railway Station. It has just rained. You can see some amount of water, although it will dry up within few hours. So this is Tokyo Station, Tokyo Central. You can see a lot of open space with carpet grass around. Few people are doing their photography, making their videos. Now we are right in front of the Tokyo Central Station. You can see 3 kanji characters on this stone. It reads Tokyo Eki. Eki in Japan means station. Beautiful bonsai, grown up, almost preserved from last 20-25 years, maybe older. There is a classic Omega clock placed. Now it was supposed to happen and it was supposed to be completed by now, but as you can see, the Tokyo Olympic Games have been postponed. Now the clock reads 319 days, 5 hours, 4 minutes and 28 seconds, 27, 26. So this COVID thing has already placed a lot of negativity around here upon the economy. On the GDP front, you can see certain policemen, they are patrolling, and people here are very helpful. The police especially, they assist you if you are a tourist, if you are stuck here, or if you are old. People spend their time sitting around these beautiful trees. The grass grown all around these trees just soothes you. So we will take our entry from the Marunouchi North gate. So you can see all these skyscraper. As I was describing, you can see 2 policemen escorting an old person who is just finding it difficult to reach back, to walk. I don't know what is his problem, but these 2 policemen, you can see, they are assisting him. You can see the amount of help that the police is offering is very good. So we make our way now towards Ebisu station. We are going to catch the Yamanote line. We make our entry through this Marunouchi North entrance. I will try to show you the entire inside of the Tokyo station. This is the north lobby. Now this is what the old building structure looks like. The pillars have been covered with steel or some alloy which gives a very premium look to all the pillars. This is central lobby. I'll just go to the center and give you a look of Yamanote Line JR gate. These are the counters for ticket. These are some travel service counters. This is the JR office called can read the ticket office mark. This is the top. Beautiful, isn't it? The old buildings. Oh, I love them. On the Yaesu side, which is closer to the Otemachi station, there is an under passage. So through this passage you can approach the Yaesu side of Tokyo station. Now we'll be entering through this JR gate and taking Yamanote line to go back to Ebishu from where we started. You can read all the stations, platforms, the train information is displayed here. So there is an attendant at every gate. He monitors, he or she, whosoever he is, she monitors the. Now I'll use my Suica and just make our entry. So I just made my entry and you can see various lines and the platforms displayed. The Shinkansen is all, of course, the bullet train. So from the Marunouchi North exit, you can go to various platforms. You can see on the right side the platform number 1, 2, then 3, 4 and subsequently. There are a few convenience stores. I will just enter the inside and show you a glimpse of the station around. The fare adjustment machines is another way. If you have less balance in your Suica and you are charged more for your journey, you can just put coins here and the balance will be adjusted in your Suica or the IC card. So it's quite comfortable for them. Now you can see the markings for the Narita Airport, Narita Express. You can see some cafes inside, sushi restaurants. You can again see a series of lockers. This is the way towards the Tojai line. I'll just take you and make you have a look. So this is towards Tojai line and we have a giant screen displaying Mount Fuji here. You can see people are going towards their destinations. This is the busiest station in the Tokyo suburbs. On these boards you can see there is an entire board dedicated only for the information. If you ever get stuck, you just read in English and reach your destination. So this map, it is shown the Yasui North exit, Central exit, South exit, and the Marunouchi North exit, Central exit and South exit. The platform information is displayed in this. It's a consolidated one. Various lines and various platforms, various bogies, the number of bogies in the train. Every information is displayed here. Now this is an enigma which only a Japanese can understand. The JR Metropolitan Railway System is a complex structure. To understand these lines, you need to be in the Planning Commission for Development of Railways in Japan. I can broadly tell you this green color which you can see is the Yamanote line circle. So this is the closed circuit around Tokyo. All the places like Shinagawa, Tamachi, Yurakucho, Kanda, Okachimachi, Tabata, then down to Ikebukuro, Shinokubo, Shinjuku, Harajuku, Shibuya, Ebisu, Meguro, Gotanda, and back to Tokyo Central is written here. So from Shinagawa, if you are here in Tokyo, next stop is Akihabara, which is an electric shopping delight for anyone. Outside, one line goes towards Yokohama, which goes like this down. Another goes towards Hachioji and Takao, like this. Another line goes towards Kamagaya and Takashaki. Similarly, Toride, Akobe and Shichibuya is on this purple line, the Ueno Tokyo line. You can just see various kinds of lines and various colors. This is 4. We have to go to platform number 5. There are people waiting for their turn to buy. There's a famous Sanjan. People come in line, they are basically very disciplined. So this is somewhat what lies inside the Tokyo station. There's only one part. The station is almost 20 to 30 times bigger to the area you have just witnessed. It's a famous shop. Eki pen and other food items are sold here. So I'll just take you through kind of various types of drink, Asahi beer, etc. inside. Premium vanilla ice cream. So this is the view, this is the selling counter. You can do the billing and take the food products. Now this is the Shinkansen South Transfer. All those who are willing to go to Nagano, Hokkaido, Kanazawa, all the Shinkansen are available through this entrance. You can see the Shinkansen tickets counter is here, and the bullet trains for Tohoku, Yamagata, Akita, Hokkaido, Joetsu, Hokuriku, via Nagano, they are all here towards this side. Now you can see there is a line and you can take the tickets for today's train. The counter is closed as of now, but you can use so the security staff just requested me not to record this. So sensitive information about Shinkansen bullet trains should not be given out on public forum. He perceived that I'm making a video live on the YouTube, which is not. So this is the exit. So Shinkansen South transfer. We are now moving towards our destined platform number 5. The people of Tokyo are not believers of savings. They put minimum amount in their banks and they are very eager to spend what they earn. They are brand conscious. They like to show off what they earn. You can see a girl putting on a Gucci t-shirt, and gyoza is being sold here. So various kinds of gyoza, nanrinya. Hi, arigato. Hana Gataya. Shop's name is Hana Gataya. The staff is always very cordial, and you can see various kinds of chocolates with their prices. I'll just make you go through their products. Konnichiwa. Acha tomate. Nani wa ichiban yumei desu ka?
当店のここのお店では一番売れてるのはこのキャラメル。
カラメルwhichは一番有名です。
売れています。一番有名です東京バナナ。
いくらですか？
これは1080円です。11個入りです。これが540円。
あ、すみません。
大丈夫です。
そう
これちっちゃいのいっぱいあります。
Can I? Ichi caramel which? はい、してください。
ありがとうございます。
はい。Now this lady will pack this for me. I'll take out some cash. And so in Japan, if you have to pay, there is a special. She will display you the price, and she will display. Daijoubu desu. She will display you with the expiry dates, so that you can decide on to your purchase. Nine. So she just asked me to whether I want a plastic bag or not. I denied because I want to support greenery in Japan. Arigato. She will give me a bill and the change. She will place the change in my hand like this. Very arigato gozaimashita. So I'm making my way out from this beautiful shop. I just purchased this caramel witch chocolate. Domo arigatou gozaimashita. So the culture and behavior of these people are just so immaculate and impressive. Sometimes fall in love with this place. Everything is organized. Now we'll make our way to our destined platform number 5 for Shinagawa and Shibuya. We will take the elevator.
with JR East. The next departure from track number 6 will be
On the far side, you can see a bullet train standing on the last platform. You can see another bullet train approaching in the far distance.
この電車は有楽町、新橋には停車いたしません。山手線の電車をご利用ください。
I'll line up for my train of Yamanate line. This is approaching. The train has arrived. You just enter.